I'm going to be making a video of the door handle problem on the Z3 passenger side. For some reason it won't open when it's unlocked from the outside, but it'll open from the inside. For example, like this. But yet it'll open from the inside, but not the outside. So what I did was this little trick. Put my knee about here, and then lift the handle, and it'll open. But if I try to open it like this, it's not going to open. But if I go like this, it'll open. So basically, you put your knee about here, lift it a little, not a lot, and then you open it. And that's a pretty nice trick. I thought my whole system from the inside, the door panel, was bad on there. It probably is, but I won't mess around with that as long as I can open it. Because for a couple weeks I've been opening it from the inside, not the outside. So this will be a lot of help for me. Once again, this is how I do to open it. Well, I hope this helps you guys.